What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the next video. Today I'm going to talk about a project called Apollo. Now this is going to be the first Auto-Rebase project that I've seen that's going to be launching on the Metis blockchain. So yeah, let's take a close look at it. As you can see here, it claims to be the highest paying auto-staking and auto-compounding protocol, just like all the other ones that we've seen before. For any of you guys that don't understand what an Auto-Rebase project is, I suggest you watch some of my older videos. I've done a lot of videos on different types of these projects. I started off with a project called Titano, which is kind of the first founding protocol, and then because of its success, obviously there's been a lot of projects popping up basically copying it, and they have also been performing very, very well. That's why I've been focused on trying to bring as many of these projects to you guys as possible. So these guys claim to be the highest paying auto-staking auto-compounding protocol. I don't know if that means on the Metis blockchain or it means on all the different blockchains in total. I'm not too sure. They claim to have, they're going to have a APY of 383,000, which is huge. Yeah, it's one of the biggest ones I've seen so far. This probably works out about 2.5% a day, and that's going to happen every 15 minutes. So very similar to SafeFood. This probably looks like kind of a fork of SafeFood, but it's going to be launched on the Metis blockchain instead. So on the website, it's pretty plain. It kind of explains a little bit about the project and how it works. You know, similar to the ones they've got a lot of coming soon. You know, a lot of things still aren't kind of ready. This is very early on in this project. If you go to the Discord, there's still plenty of opportunities to get yourself on the whitelist. They give out whitelist spots for getting up to level 5 in the Discord, and they also give whitelist spots for inviting 10 people to the server. So it's relatively easy to get yourself a whitelist spot for this one, which is coming up soon. So here we go. Tokenomics. So these guys are going to have a 14% buy tax and a 16% sell tax. So a 30% all round trip for the tax, which is actually relatively low. Usually the most projects are around 32-33% marks. This is on the lower end anyway. Very typical. 4% going to liquidity, 5% going to insurance fund, and 4.5% going to treasury on the sales, with some burns as well. So here they've kind of compared Apollo to Titano, which was the first auto-rebase protocol, and then Libero, which is the one that kind of came after it. Both of those two were a big success. It's kind of showing what they do differently to Titano and Libero. So they claim to have like anti-dump strategies and limited NFTs, automatic burns. I mean, whether all these extra kind of functions that they have going on in the protocol is going to bring anything positive to the project, I'm not too sure. They claim to be very rug proof anyway, so we'll see when an audit comes out about that. But yeah, so I'll just head over to the white paper. So they have at least got a white paper out now, so you can read in stuff in more detail about how it works. You know, this is going to probably already repeat most of the stuff that we've already just read on the website. But yeah, so talk about the APY, how much you're going to get in a year and a day, then the tokenomics. So have a look at this. So they talk about a fire pit. It's like the burning mechanism. So 2% of all transactions are going into the fire pit to make it deflationary. Let's hear about this anti-dump strategy that they claim to have. It says, along with the buy and sell taxes, we will also be adding new features to protect the protocol from large dumps. Doesn't really explain much about it, but I guess you can't really explain in too much detail about your anti-dump measures or your anti-bot measures, because then the bots will always find a way around it. So yeah. And yeah, so I mean, I'll put a link to the white paper if you guys want to kind of read into more detail about this. I'll put a link onto the website and the Discord channel as well. Like I say, with most of my videos, the reason I'm doing this is just to bring you this project early whilst it's still in the whitelist phase. So you can get yourself over to the Discord channel, get yourself a whitelist relatively easy, and then you can follow the project and see how it evolves and decide whether you want to invest. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for today, guys. So thanks for listening, and until next time, bye.